Good morning, everyone. I'm Scott James with Blue Water Yacht Sales. We're in Virginia Beach today. We're on a 2020 28-foot Parker. It's a 2801. Beautiful boat, very, very nicely rigged. Twin 300 Yamahas, and this boat carries a load of 242 gallons of fuel. So with this power, you have really, really nice range. Normal cruise in the 30s. She'll top out upper 50s, close to 60. And so really a very, very versatile boat. You have some family features, you have some fishing features. We're going to take a look at them now. So walk through transom, you see the transom door right there. Big fish box right here. That drains overboard, doesn't have to be pumped overboard because it's up above the water line. Then you've got, with a big acrylic, nice thick acrylic lid, you've got a live well right here. There's an auxiliary live well we'll point to in just a second, but folding stern seat. If we look here, there's your battery switches. This boat does have a battery charger. Here's the plug for that. And then this is your raw water washdown connection right here. Nice gray and white two-tone upholstery, really works well with the hull color and the top color and all that. Look at all the rod holders we have here. So again, custom metalwork. Metalwork was done by Chesapeake Bay Custom Fabrication in Hampton. So here's the 30-gallon auxiliary live well. You can see this is a folding tower. You see the hinges here. So this whole thing is made to fold back. You can put it on a trailer. A trailer is included with this boat. So we're going to work our way forward. Console door is right here. And then we're up here now at the forward seating, and you see built-in seating. You've got storage underneath, a nice little seat here in front of the console, and then anchor windlass and pulpit. You see the custom black metal work up here. And if we turn, we can get a real quick look at Garmin Hd Radar, LED light bar, which you may not be able to see up there. And then that is a fiberglass buggy top. So it gives you real structure up there and something nice to hold on to when you're up on the tower. All right, so we're at the helm here now, and we want to talk about a couple things. Two big Garmin screens. These are multifunction screens. You've got your Yamaha gauges are linked through these screens to the Yamaha through the Garmin backbone. Autopilot screen here, as well as you have autopilot across the bottom. And in your Garmin system. So there's autopilots in here, your media, so your AM, FM, Bluetooth, satellite radio, all that stuff you can run through here as well. Two transducers, so you have a CHIRP transducer, and then you have the downview Garmin transducer as well. Fusion stereo. VHF radio is right here. It's in a really nice spot. You've got an inductive cell phone charger up here too. Radio box, right now we have wallets, keys, our electronics covers are there. And then speaking of covers, you can see we've got our kind of phone booth enclosure up right now. These will swing out. They'll swing out to the corners, and then there are side pieces to this enclosure. So you have a real big three-sided enclosure, and then you also have, there's a full boat cover that goes with this boat as well. So again, 2020 2801 Parker. The boat's in Virginia Beach. It does come with the trailer. I'm Scott James for Blue Water. You can see us at bluewateryachtsales.com. I'm at 757-570-3944. Thanks for your time.